So good morning traders. Today I have this sell side one trade I punch. Although I want to buy here, but I wait for some time to retest this falling wedge top. But it's open and just go one way up. Okay. So then I whenever it takes this CPR, so I made a short. Then again it is got little bit up, so I average out with one lot. Now I am holding this trade right now and hoping to it test this bottom CPR level at least. This is my first target. Let's see what I will get here. It is see it is something like a 60 point. So I will wait for at least a 40 point. Okay, 40-50 point. Maybe it is from here. This black color ka zone. It is from here. It is again trying to go up. So anything can happen. See, this is going out in my favor, but the premium is not increasing. In premium, it formed doji. Bank Nifty also little take rejection. Now this 9-day moving average is going to support it. So maybe it is from here. It is support. Here we have also 20-day moving average, which may give resistance, but it just open and go up and up. Right now 1700 ka profit. 30-40 point is good because it is a scalping trade. 2000 ka profit I see. Anything can happen because in opening market is very volatile. So I put my stop loss in system and just hoping for a little bit selling side. See, right now my view is like this CPR, but maybe it is break if this break this low, which is this level. So just 1 minute. From 3000 ka profit to right now 2000 ka loss, 5000 in my against. Now 4000 ka loss. If this level break, this is goal till here. This rising wedge ka swing. Now maybe it is formed like this type M pattern. I guess my stop loss going to hit. Almost going to hit. I made mistake, I guess. Okay, my stop loss hit 75,000 per loss. 7,500 per loss. See, here it is going. So traders right now, two time my stop loss hit. First time here it is early stop loss hit at trailing. Uh, Trigger price execute. Matlab I already placed here, so it might be take liquidity and hit my stop loss. Then I add one lot and re-enter. So I am come in a break even like 30,000 ka profit. Then again my stop loss hit. Now again I re-enter. So let's see. Here it is taking rejection and premium is like going against me right now. So again I am just putting small stop loss. So in first trade my loss is 7500. Here I have 11,000 per loss, 3000 ka profit. Both time we have 3000 ka profit. Now this is third time taking rejection. My view is also long. See, here we have a weekly pivot and maybe it is give us a thoda sa confidence making us if this we like move this much this kind trend line. If this trend line break, then it might go down. Oh shit, yeah, third time my stop loss. What is trying to do, I don't know. Now let's put this like here. If it is cross this level, then only I do third trade. So traders, in first trade, I average out trade, and here I book my profit, because now see here it is testing, it goes up, now pullback, and here it is taking a just a pullback, and here maybe this level is taking support and again going up, as our view is also bullish. So that's why I wait, but then I exit in this trade. Now I long in the Nifty, so I just put update my chart. Just it is like 23650. So as I long in it, let's see. Here this 20-day moving average, I thought it gives support little bit because it is bounce and taking support. Here we have a round number. Here it is like a pivot. So it is also act as like support. So I also add one more lot, and now just 1 minute, I update. Okay, just put side wala I exit. Just GTT orders. Just 1 minute. I am not expecting this much fall. If I holding this trade, almost I got 40 point, which is my target. So 40 point into, I guess in last trade my quantity is 450. 450 into 40, almost 18,000. Now it is taking something like rejection. Let's see what happens. As it is today white CPR, so maybe the market is roaming just sideways goes today. It is also taking its CPR bounce. Let's see, I guess now the fresh participant should come, because here maybe so many are left to trading in it. So see, on spot chart, my target is fulfilled in this risk reward template. Also, my target is reached, but it's my fear or my like chart interpretation. Like from here it is bounce, so I exit and long. So my first trade on analysis wise is correct. Almost target done in spot and premium both. Now here it is like running this trade. Almost I have like this much. 3-4,000 ka loss right now. Here I have 3,000 ka profit, and in first trade I book 4,800. Let's see, it is again trying to going down. So I will keep you posted. So guys, I add one more lot. See, it is formed like some double bottom, and if this swing it cross upper side, so one bullish momentum maybe start. Here it is also at CPR. Here in Bank Nifty we have round number also. So let's see. 60% chance that my stop loss hit, but if it is goes in my favor, then I can book a good profit. So see somewhere here I book my first trade and reverse. So let's see. How far it is goes. 60% or maybe my stop loss is getting hit because as we discussed, if it is break this low, then it goes till here somewhere that falling wedge ka line. But Bank Nifty may be reverse and it is also reverse. And whoever left out at this level, they are coming to buy and to cover market up. So right now my net is a 2000 ka loss net in this current trade 7500, and from here my stop loss is 20 point. So I will keep you posted. Okay, so today's here I book my profit, and after so many overtrade, because not overtrade, my view is correct, but the premium is like a drastically volatile. So it is like testing my patience, and frequently I am afraid of holding to do. So that's why I put a very strict stop loss. So see, here I make a 15,000 ka profit. This is second test there. So you can see now. So first is my the reject. Then I again put side my stop loss hit. Again I re-enter छोटा सा with a little stop loss, but it's hit. Again I re-enter, and every time I just add one lot more because my view is bearish. Then I book at a छोटा सा profit, and then I long. Then my stop loss hit, and then I again re-enter, and at 10:15 almost in 1 hour. 10:15 I book 15. Okay, so you can see I use this much capital. I have this 43,000 something. Oh, sorry. Paying, matlab 43 I add in my fund. 55,000 I have opening balance, and here it is I made this much. So almost I guess 15% हुआ ना ये. 1 लाख पे 15,000. तो 15% I book, and this in I guess. So to reject, matlab 23 order into 50, so almost 14,000 ka net profit I book. And you can see what condition right now. So it is again at this level pullback. So I exit somewhere here, but due to slippage it come down. I book at 214 somewhere here, that is yellow line, and it goes in 6 point more. But I looked at trend is see, our first target is almost done in Bank Nifty also. Now the second target, if we goes this swing, then this round number, and here it is form some kind of tweezer bottom, but it is not valid tweezer bottom because tweezer bottom form in bottom, top bottom, not like this in a running market, but it is sometime it give effect like similar, just below round number it tastes, and then we get almost just 1 minute, almost bounce of 260 point. And here I am see multiple times stop loss hit in Nifty also, but my view is that this swing which have like a inverse head and shoulder type, so don't market should be reverse from here, and it reverse first. I strongly believe that this is the first candle low and cluster of resistance might not be breached, but it breached. So now we discuss about the see my at opening my view is long bullish, but what happened, market open here and just go in one spike here. So now it is not suitable to buy. So here I sell after thoda sa pullback, it bounce and my stop loss hit. I again re-enter, and then it give one way movement. But here I thought now market is was taking pause here and then go up, but it not. It again here 2-3 times stop loss my hit, and then after I average out, and here we get one bounce. This is completely wrong, this much over trading, but I know about, I did doing trading since last 4 years. So sometime a little bit flexibility about market. See, about market means it is a sideways market till right now. Maybe in second phase it go either up or down one way really. last day it is falling like this much, so obviously as today is a sideways market, we have a white CPR, so obviously we have a sideways market. So in sideways market we trade top to bottom, okay, resistance to support, support to resistance. So same is like I did here when it almost taste about support resistance, then I short, though it go up and then give. So it is not market always follow any particular pattern, it is do this way. So sometimes it give her loss, then I from uh, top resistance to 50% plus support I exit, although it go to bottom support and then it's breakdown, then this swing test, and then now this support will go almost the resistance. Okay, now we don't trade again, so that's it. And here this level breakdown, so we also from here to here resistance to support we get to 76 point, and almost to here to here we go after 250 point. So this is my trade for today, done for today. So thank you so much, so see you tomorrow.